So here are some numericals now. What is the probability of an electron being thermally excited to conduction band in intrinsic silicon at 27 degrees centigrade? The band gap energy of silicon is 1.12 electron volts. So energy gap Eg is given as 1.12 electron volts. Temperature T is given as 27 degrees centigrade, that is 300 degree Kelvin. Boltzmann constant we know 8.625 into 10 raised to minus 5 electron volt per degree Kelvin. So this is intrinsic silicon. So for intrinsic silicon, the Fermi level lies exactly at the middle of the forbidden gap, and therefore Ec minus Ef can be written as Eg upon 2. So Ec minus Ef can be written as Eg upon 2. Eg is given to us 1.12 electron volts. So using that we can calculate Ec minus Ef. So Ec minus Ef is 1.12 upon 2, that is 0.56 electron volts in this case. Now probability that electron being thermally excited to conduction band means probability of occupancy of the energy level in conduction band. So we will consider the lowest energy level in conduction band, that is Ec. So we will find out probability of occupancy for the energy level Ec. So that will be equal to 1 upon 1 plus e raised to Ec minus Ef upon kT. This Ec minus Ef we have just now found out. For intrinsic semiconductor, this Ec minus Ef will be half of the energy gap, that is 0.56 electron volts in this case. K we know, and T is also given to us 300 degree Kelvin. So by substituting these values and using the calculator, the probability of occupancy for conduction band energy level can be calculated as 3.99 into 10 raised to minus 10. So probability that the electron being thermally excited to conduction band in case of intrinsic silicon at 27 degree centigrade is 3.99 into 10 raised to minus 10. So this is very little probability, small value of the probability. What is the probability of an electron being thermally promoted to conduction band in diamond at 27 degree centigrade if band gap is 5.6 electron volts wide? So for diamond also the Fermi level will lie at the middle of the forbidden gap, and in this case now Ec minus Ef will be Eg by 2, that will be 2.8 electron volts. So probability of occupancy for conduction band energy level f of Ec, that will be equal to 1 by 1 plus e raised to Ec minus Ef upon kT. So Ec minus Ef we will put as 2.8 electron volts in this case, and the probability of occupancy, that is the probability of an electron being thermally promoted to conduction band, can be calculated 1.09 into 10 raised to minus 47. So 10 raised to minus 47. So the probability of electron going to conduction band is very small, negligible in this case. That is why diamond is an insulator. In an n-type semiconductor, the Fermi level lies at 0.4 electron volts below the conduction band. If the concentration of donor atoms is doubled, find the new position of the Fermi level with respect to conduction band. So we know in n-type semiconductor, Fermi level lies close to the conduction band. So in this case, it is given that Fermi level lies 0.4 electron volts below the conduction band. So Ec minus Ef is given as 0.4 electron volts. And we are asked that if the concentration of donor atoms is doubled, means if the doping concentration is increased, find the new position of Fermi level. If the doping concentration is increased 2 times, then what will be the new position of the Fermi level? So we know in case of n-type semiconductor, if we increase the doping level, Fermi level will shift towards the conduction band. So in short, what we are asked is, we are asked to find out position of Fermi level with respect to conduction band. That means we are asked to find out new value of Ec minus Ef when the doping concentration is doubled. So temperature is not mentioned, so we will assume it to be 300 degree Kelvin room temperature. Electron concentration is given by the relation n is equal to Nc e raised to minus Ec minus Ef by kT, let us call this as equation number 1. When the concentration is doubled, when the donor concentration is doubled, electron concentration will also get doubled and Fermi level will be shifted to a new position, will denote it by EF2. So the concentration of electrons now with increased donor concentration will be 2n. Concentration is doubled, so 2n is equal to Nc e raised to minus Ec minus EF2. This is the new Fermi level, new position for the Fermi level upon kT. So we got equation number 2 here also. So from equation 1 and 2, if we divide equation 2 by 1, we can get 2n upon n will be 2 and this Nc e raised to minus Ec minus Ef2 upon kT divided by Nc e raised to minus Ec minus Ef upon kT. So Nc will get cancelled, effective density of states in the conduction band. So we can write e raised to minus Ec minus Ef2 upon kT divided by e raised to minus Ec minus Ef upon kT equal to 2. Simplify this, this will be e raised to minus Ec minus Ef2 minus minus, so that will be plus Ec minus Ef by kT, that is equal to 2. So kT taken on the other side after taking the logarithm on both sides. So we can write minus Ec minus Ef2 plus Ec minus Ef equal to kT ln of 2. So this is ln is natural log and therefore Ec minus Ef2 will be equal to Ec minus Ef minus kT ln of 2. So from this equation we can write this, and from this we can calculate Ec minus Ef2, that is the that will give us the position of new Fermi level with respect to conduction band. So that is equal to Ec minus Ef, that is given to us 0.4 electron volts. K we know 8.625 into 10 raised to minus 5 electron volt per degree Kelvin. T is not given, but we are assuming it to be room temperature, so 300 degree Kelvin, ln of 2. So using the calculator we can calculate this and we can get the value of Ec minus Ef2 to be equal to 0.382 electron volts. So earlier Ec minus Ef was 0.4 electron volts and now after doubling the donor concentration, Ec minus Ef2 is 0.382 electron volts. That means Fermi level is clearly shifted towards the conduction band, and as the Fermi level is shifted towards the conduction band, Ec minus Ef is reduced now to 0.382 electron volts. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe to the channel so that you will get timely intimation of new videos uploaded to the channel. Thank you very much.